case you couldn't hear me properly, I said, hello, I'm Teo. I'm just chilling out, making some funny faces, like this one. Or this one. Do you sometimes like to make funny faces too? Well, I've got a few things here to help make my faces even funnier. Oh, silly glasses. Are you ready? What fun. What else can I use to make my faces even sillier? This is perfect. A bright red clown nose. Here goes. Oh, making faces is so much fun. Ooh. And it's thirsty work. Cheers, Teo. Hey, look at that. I spotted something. My glasses change shape when we look at them through water. Can you see that? I have a question. Why do things change shape when we look at them through water? Let's investigate. Come on, it's science time. For this experiment, you'll need different pictures or patterns, a tall vase or glass, and water. Welcome to the Science Time Lab. Are you ready to experiment? For this experiment, we'll need lots of different pictures and patterns. What have we got in the bits and bobs basket? Oh, look, some stripy wrapping paper. I'm thinking, if we put the water in front of this pattern, will it change? Let's begin the experiment. Let's experiment. What will we see? Maybe we'll make a discovery. It's time for science. And scientifically, maybe we'll make a discovery. Pouring in the water to make the pattern move. Let's see what we can prove. What will we see, you and me? Let's experiment. What will we see? Maybe we'll make a discovery. Okay, the water is in and we're ready to experiment. Here goes. Wow! Look at that. The lines have changed direction. Try it again. And yes, look. The lines are a bit squiggly and wiggly now. Let's draw a picture this time. See if you can guess what it is. Oh, I know, yes. A squiggly fish with an eye and a mouth. I wonder what will happen to the squiggly fish. Do you have an idea? Let's have a look. Here goes. And whoosh. Oh, well, the fish has gotten bigger and blurry. But what if we try putting the water further away? Let's see. And go. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. The fish has changed direction. It's swimming the other way now. Fish swimming this way and fish swimming that way. Let's see what we've discovered. When light passes through something like air, water or glass, it changes speed and direction. So when light passes through water, it goes slower than when it passes through air. That's why it changes direction. So with the stripy pattern, the lines seem to bend or change direction. This bending is called light refraction. And because of refraction, the drawings seem to change shape or direction, like the squiggly fish did. Boom! Yes! Let's see what will happen with writing. I'll write a word. Oh, yes. I've written it backwards. See if you can guess what it is. I wonder what will happen if we put it behind the water. You ready? Look! The word has flipped the right way round. T-E-O, Teo. That's my name. Science is so cool. Ooh. One interesting thing is that light passes through glass and oil the same way. To show you this, I've got a glass of oil and a glass test tube. First, I'm going to put the test tube into the oil. At the moment, it looks empty, but it's actually filled with air. So, we can still see it in there, can't we? That's because the light is passing through the glass, oil, and air. But what do you think will happen if I fill the tube up with oil? So the light is only passing through the glass and the oil without air. Shall we see what happens? Okay. Oh, it disappears! Well, it hasn't actually disappeared. See? It's still there. It looked like it disappeared because light passes through oil and glass at the same speed. Oh, shall we see it again? Now you see it. Now you don't. It seems like magic, but it's actually science. We use light refraction to do so many cool things. A disappearing test tube, flipped some words, made a fish swim, and made stripy lines squiggle and wiggle. Ooh. Do you want to have a wiggle too? Come on. Wiggly woo, a wiggly woo. Let's all do the wiggly woo. A wiggly woo, a wiggly woo. Woo, woo, wiggly woo. Swing your arms round and round. Woo, woo. Tap your 2 feet on the ground. Clap your hands in front of you. That's how you do the wiggly woo, a wiggly woo, a wiggly woo. Let's all do the wiggly woo, a wiggly woo, a wiggly woo. Woo, woo, wiggly woo, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh, great wiggling, everyone. Maybe you'd like to use light refraction to make a fish swim or a test tube disappear. So, discover your way with some Science Time today. Bye.